Hello everyone, and welcome. If you've ever wondered why some YouTube channels explode to millions of subscribers while others struggle to get just a few hundred views, then this lecture is for you. Today, I'm going to show you practical, proven strategies that can help you grow your YouTube channel, attract loyal subscribers, and even build a full-time income from your content. Whether you're just starting your first channel or you've been uploading for years, these tips can help you grow faster. Let's get started. One of the biggest myths about YouTube is that success happens by luck. People often think a creator wakes up one morning, uploads a random video, and suddenly becomes famous. While some videos do go viral unexpectedly, long-term success on YouTube is almost always the result of planning, consistency, and understanding what viewers want. The first step is choosing the right niche. Your niche is the main topic of your channel. Think of it as your identity. If today you upload football highlights, tomorrow you upload cooking recipes, and next week you upload travel videos, YouTube will struggle to understand who your audience is. More importantly, your viewers won't know what to expect. Instead, choose a topic you enjoy and can create content about for years. Popular niches include technology, music, sports, travel, education, personal finance, health, gaming, cars, fashion, entertainment, and tutorials. Don't simply choose a niche because it's popular. Choose one where your passion meets audience demand. Enthusiasm is difficult to fake, and viewers can tell when you genuinely enjoy what you're talking about. The next step is understanding your audience. Ask yourself, who are they? What are they searching for? What problems do they need solved? What questions do they ask every day? One of the easiest ways to discover this is by using YouTube's search bar. Begin typing a topic, and YouTube will suggest popular searches. Those suggestions come directly from real people. They tell you exactly what viewers are looking for. Also, pay attention to comments on popular videos in your niche. Sometimes the best video ideas come directly from viewers asking questions that nobody has answered properly. Now let's talk about content quality. Many beginners think they need expensive cameras and studio equipment before they can succeed. That's simply not true. People will forgive average video quality if your content is useful, entertaining, or inspiring. But they won't stay if your content is boring. Focus on delivering value. Teach something. Entertain people. Solve a problem. Make someone laugh. Inspire someone to take action. Every successful YouTube video does at least one of these things. Another important factor is your title. Your title is your advertisement. Before anyone watches your video, they read the title. A weak title might be, "My new phone." A stronger title could be, "I switched to this phone for 30 days, here's what happened." Notice the difference. The second title creates curiosity and promises a story. Curiosity drives clicks. Your thumbnail is equally important. Imagine walking into a bookstore. Which book do you notice first? Usually, it's the one with the most attractive cover. Your thumbnail works the same way. Keep it simple. Use bright colors, large readable text, expressive faces when appropriate, and one clear subject. Avoid clutter. Remember, your thumbnail and title work together. They should make viewers curious enough to click without misleading them. Once someone clicks your video, the next challenge begins. The first 30 seconds are critical. Many viewers decide almost immediately whether to keep watching or leave. Avoid long introductions. Instead, tell viewers exactly what they'll gain by staying until the end. For example, you could say, by the end of this video, you'll know the 5 mistakes that stop most YouTube channels from growing, and how to avoid them. That gives viewers a reason to stay. Retention is one of the most important signals to YouTube's algorithm. The longer people watch, the more YouTube recommends your content to others. Consistency is another secret. You don't need to upload every day, but you should upload regularly. If you decide to upload once a week, stick to that schedule. If you choose twice a week, stay consistent. Consistency builds trust with your audience and tells YouTube that your channel is active. Now let's discuss YouTube SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It simply means making your videos easier for people to find. Include your main keyword naturally in your title, description, and spoken words. Write clear descriptions explaining what the video is about. Use relevant hashtags. Organize videos into playlists. These small improvements help YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Don't ignore analytics. Your YouTube Studio dashboard is one of the most powerful tools available. Watch your click-through rate, watch time, audience retention, returning viewers, traffic sources. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs improvement. Instead of guessing, use data. One common mistake creators make is giving up too early. Many successful YouTubers uploaded dozens, or even hundreds, of videos before seeing significant growth. Every upload teaches you something new. Every mistake helps you improve. Persistence matters. Another effective strategy is following trends without losing your identity. If a major event happens in your niche, create content about it quickly. Trending topics often receive a surge of searches. However, don't chase every trend. Stay relevant to your audience. Collaboration is another powerful growth strategy. Work with creators in your niche. Interview experts. Appear on podcasts. Feature guest speakers. When two creators work together, both audiences benefit. Let's also talk about community. Don't treat your subscribers as numbers. Reply to comments. Ask questions. Pin thoughtful comments. Use community posts. Thank viewers for their support. People return to channels where they feel appreciated. Now let's discuss monetization. Many people focus only on earning money. But the truth is, the fastest way to make money on YouTube is by first creating value. When you consistently help people, opportunities naturally follow through advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, memberships, and merchandise. Always focus on serving your audience first. Never stop learning. The YouTube platform changes constantly. Algorithms evolve. Viewer habits change. New features are introduced. The creators who continue learning are the ones who continue growing. Study successful channels. Read about storytelling. Learn better editing techniques. Improve your speaking skills. Practice creating stronger hooks. Every improvement compounds over time. Finally, remember why you started. Maybe you want to educate people. Maybe you want financial freedom. Maybe you want to build a personal brand. Maybe you simply enjoy creating videos. Hold on to that purpose. There will be days when views are low and growth feels slow. Don't let temporary setbacks stop you. Success on YouTube isn't built in a week or even a month. It's built one video at a time, one lesson at a time, and one improvement at a time. So here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for the perfect camera. Don't wait for the perfect microphone. Don't wait until you feel completely ready. Start today. Create your next video. Apply one new strategy. Learn from the results. Then create another. The creators who succeed aren't always the most talented. They're often the ones who refuse to quit. Thank you so much for listening. If this lecture inspired you, share it with another aspiring creator. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep creating. Your next upload could be the one that changes everything. See you in the next lesson, and I wish you tremendous success on your YouTube journey.